Hello everyone. So in Slack, if you just tap on the plus icon here, uh, which is called like attachments and shortcuts, if you tap here and you see this lightning icon, it means that there are workflows for this channel. So for example, there is a workflow to add a new job offer. So then you can just tap here and like, for example, in this Slack channel, this is like a coding community. If someone wants to submit a job offer, instead of like, writing all of it in the channel, there is just workflow enabled and then you can just submit it. So that's kind of pretty cool, right? So to see that there is this workflow enabled, so that's how you can use and type into workflow for the Slack channel. So this video is not about how to create a workflow, just how to use